Hello everyone, so welcome back on my channel, and today in this video we are going to see lesson plan on the topic. Here you can see population, and this is for class 9th. Subject is geography. Okay, so please do subscribe my channel if you need more BA related videos. Okay, in my channel you will get BA related video as well as PDF also. Now let's say previous knowledge. So students are already aware of population of India, means they know little bit about that. Okay, general aim to let them know population size and distribution, to let them know population growth and process of population changes. Okay, specific objectives to enable the students to understand population growth and distribution. Here you can say teaching aid. So for teaching aid, we have to write whatever teaching aid we are going to use while we teach to students. Okay. Now let's see question that we have to ask to students. First, what we have to ask it, what is your name? Means we have to ask this question to a particular students, and we have to ask what is your name. Okay. So after that, we have to ask how many brother and sister do you have? Then they will answer, I have 2 brother or 6, 3 or 4, whatever. Okay. After that, here you can see how many members are there in your family. Then they will give answer. Okay. Can you count how many people are there in our country? It would be problematic. So basically, we have to ask, do you know how many peoples or what is the population of our country? Then it would be problematic. Here you can see objectives and specification. To arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. Okay. Now after that we have to means announce our topic. We have to like say this sentence. Students, today we are going to learn about population. Here you can see overall look. Okay. Okay, here you can see presentation. So we have to teach them everything properly. Teach everything properly for like 6 to 7 minutes. So these are all the main points that we are going to teach to students. Here we have to mention that. Okay. Okay. So after that, means after explaining them properly, we also have to ask question related to that. Here you can see question. Which is the most populated state of India? What is the total population of Lakshadweep? Give the name of most populated state. Which is the biggest state in terms of area? Okay. And here are the expected answer you can see. Here you can see blackboard work. So again we have to like write all the things that is necessary or that is main, means we have to write here main points. Okay. Now after explaining them properly for 5 to 6 minutes, we also have to use some teaching aids, like we can use chart or model to explain them. Okay. So here you can see teacher explain with help of chart or model whatever she has. Student observing the chart or model, and here you can see teaching aid. We have to write chart or model whatever we have. Okay. Here you can see rest part of here you can see presentation 2. Again we have to repeat the same process. We have to explain, and after that we have to ask question. Which is the main process of change of population? What do you mean by migration? And here is the expected answer. Here is our blackboard work. Okay, you can see here overall look. Here you can see specific objectives and specifications also. Okay, here you can see rest part of presentation to rest part of question and answers. What do you mean by term birth rate? Why is the rate population growth declining since 1981? And here is the expected answer. Okay, and here is you can see blackboard work. that we have to mention here, as well as we also have to write on blackboard. And here you can see skills, means after explaining them properly, we also have to use some teaching aids and help, and means explain our content with help of that. Here you can see teacher shows the chart, students observing that, and here you can see chart. Okay, recapitulation. So I have added here 3 questions. You can see identify the state of southern plains with high population densities. Which is the most populous country in the world? Discuss the main process of change of population. And here is the expected answer. How can we obtain absolute increase? And here you can see answers. Okay. Now application and evaluation. So for that you can see fill in the blanks. Here you can see 4 fill in the blanks, and here is the answer. Okay. Here home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge, what we have to do is we have to also give home assignment to students for perfection of their knowledge. Okay, so this was my lesson plan on the topic population. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, we will meet in next video with another lesson plan. I have another YouTube channel named Nutan Online Study. You can subscribe that channel also. Okay, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.